Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Anuj Kumar and this is my first day of my vlogging and I want to make video on English language because I want to improve my English language. I'm hungry to improve my English skills because I want to speak fluent English, I want to write English, I want to understand English because today English is very important. Without English language, a person, a student or anybody cannot become a good achievement in his career. Even a professor, a teacher cannot become a teacher without commanding on English language. Even a doctor or advocate or lawyer cannot become a successful in his career without commanding on this language. So today we are talking about the importance of English language. That what is the importance of this language and why a person should improve his English, why a person should know a very good English. My name is Anuj Kumar and I would say I'm at an intermediate level in this language. I can understand and express myself in most everyday situations, but I still have some room for improvement. Friends, English is very important in our life because if a student graduated from a university, a very good university or very renowned university like Delhi University, but he graduated from university in Hindi honors and before that he has done his schooling from government school or from Hindi medium. Due to this, he has no command on this language. He don't know how to speak English. He don't know how to talk to in English. He don't know how to express himself in English. He don't know how to understand English. He don't know how to write English. In today's life, in the present time, English is very important for become a successful person. If a person want to become a businessman, then he should know English. If a person want to become a teacher, he should know basic English at least. If a person want to become a professor in history, political science, then he should also know English. If a person want to become advocate, he should know English. If a person want to become doctor, he must know English. It is mandatory to understand English. Why English is so important? Because most of studies, higher studies are in this language. Because national company or international or multinational companies mandatory this language. Even if you go to High Court or Supreme Court of India is the apex court of this country, highest court of this country. So there English is mandatory. National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission or many higher courts did English mandatory. So English is very important. And most of people who are not coming from the English background, who are not coming from the English environment, who has not environment of English in his neighborhood, in his friend or in his family, even his education. So they have hesitation that how they will speak English, how will they talk to in English, how will they improve their English language. English is very important to talk in daily life. Friends, for your kind information, I have done my schooling in 2013 from government school. I have done my schooling from Hindi background and I have done my graduation from Delhi University in Hindi honors. So I totally came from Hindi background because in my home there is no environment of English language. Nobody know about this language. So I am very, very hopeless and helpless to learn this language. I am learning this language from very long time, but I am not consistently or continuously learning. Even today I am learning this language. I don't know how to speak fluently in this language. I would say that I am very weak in this language because I am not consistently following my this hungerness of learn English language. So I am giving you, so this is my suggestion to all of you, that if you want to speak English language, you will have to speak without seeing anybody. This doesn't matter that who is laughing on your English, who is joking on your English language, who is joking on your conversation, who is joking or who is laughing on your talking skills. You remembered only one thing, that you should have to speak English, because when you will learn fluent English speaking, the people who are laughing, who are joking on your English, they will come themselves to handshake with you, and they will feel that how bad they are, how negative they are. So every day speak English, every day write in English, every day listen English. You can watch English series, English movies with subtitles in starting. But most important thing is you will have to consistently, continuously speaking every day, and you will see that one day you will become fluent in this language. You will learn this language very well. So I think so, friends, this is my humble request. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak fluent English, you will have to consistently every day, continuously speak English. So that's it for today. So we will meet tomorrow with new topic and new conversation. Have a good day.